Hello, this is the Guns of Guns and Stuff, and it is dawn in central Mississippi. Ever since I was a child, and we're talking 1960s here, that's how old I am. But ever since then, I've heard rimfire is unreliable. Well, is it? I think that modern manufacturing techniques have changed that narrative just a bit. Recently, I finished a long-term project involving Magtech. Magtech, they make more than just 22. But I decided to test how unreliable it was. So I bought 2 jars of it, and I held back the duds for you. I put all the duds in this jar. That's right, flawless. 1,000 rounds. So is 22 reliable? Yeah, it is. At least, admittedly limited sample size, 1,000 rounds, but still, that's impressive, especially given the reputation. Now, am I saying that you should run out and get a self-defense 22 long rifle? No. I don't think it's strong enough, but it is reliable enough. Thanks for watching.